Hi, this is Kendra from Pencil and Pigment, and I just wanted to pop in a day prior to Vlogtober starting, and I made a free printable. Now, the link for this is going to be right at the top of the description box down below. It is through a free PDF hosting website. This is a PDF, so you will need some sort of reader for that. I will throw up images of what it looks like. You're going to want to double click on the little gray word that says botanical zine. And once that pops up, you're going to want to hit print. And when you print, it's going to look like this. And you're going to say, wow, that's really out of order. But again, this is a one-page zine. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold, and then you're going to want to cut. So have some scissors handy. This is 8 tiny pages. This is small enough you can tuck it into your pocket. You could tuck it into your travel bag with your art supplies. So I folded it lengthwise, and now I'm folding it in half again. Okay, you can use a bone folder, you can use a coin, you can use your fingers, and then fold it in half again. I learned how to use Scribus. That is a free program. It is kind of like an Adobe InDesign knockoff that's open source. I did have to download that onto my computer, but I taught myself the program today so I can create this for you. And I just want to do a special shout out to my husband for running to the office supply store and getting all the plugs and things so I could set up my archaic printer to my brand new computer. Okay. Unfolding, you will see 8 individual sheets. Now you're going to want to fold it in half this way. Now comes time to cut. You're going to want to cut from the center seam all the way to this fold line, okay? When you are done, it should look like this. Now, to get this in the correct order, you kind of want to stand it up on end. You want to pinch the sides like we're doing origami. And you want to make sure that the first page is the one that says Pencil and Pigment Vlogtober. That is the first page. And you will just fold all the other pages around it. And once you're done, sorry, this is really slapdash. Once you're done, it should look like this. So these are the contents. I have a thing for setting goals. There are drawing ideas, content page ideas. I have the elements of art and design to help you with goal setting and enhancing your skills as a creator. I have a little, just very basic thing on color theory. Ignore my printer. Looks like the color heads need to be cleaned. Typography content, if you want to add some text elements to your drawings, paintings, creations for this month. And then on the back are warm-up drawing exercises. If you are interested in doing that, it helps loosen the hands, it helps with your motivation, your inspiration, your creative block. If you're in a creative rut or burnout, having some sort of warm-up exercise that you do before you do your illustration can really sort of get you in that mindset of creating. So this is the little zine. And I have a bunch of them because I've been trying to typeset and learn how to use this program. So this is just a really short video. This is a free printable. I am not charging for this. It is very slapdash. I put this together today, the day I uploaded it. It took me a couple hours to learn the program and do all this. I hope it helps. I hope to see you tomorrow for my first video of Vlogtober, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.